Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, now with AI tools it's easier than ever. And here I'm going to show you how you can start a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. So the first step that you need to do is pick a winning faceless niche. So you can choose a niche like, for example, tax tutorials, AI stories, gaming montages, or horror narrations. You don't overthink it, just pick something you enjoy watching. You can just explore YouTube and choose the videos or the content that you like the best, and you can follow that. And the next step, you can use AI to generate your script. You can use maybe ChatGPT, Gemini, or Cloud to create your video script. So for example, in here, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a 60-second script about the scariest unsolved mysteries. Let's go with that. Just hit on enter and ChatGPT will give you the answer. You can just make small edits so the script matches your style. So here's the script. You can use this, but you can modify it to match your style. And the next step, you can narrate your video without your own voice. You can use an AI voice generator, like for example, Play.hd, 11 Labs, Lovo AI, or maybe Meta AI text to speech. Here you can just paste the script in here or the narrations, and after that you can choose the voice that fits your needs. You can go deep with for horror. You can search in here and hear the result first. If you want to create educational content, you can go with friendly voice one. And after you create the AI voiceover, you can turn your script into a video. You can use tools like Canva video editor or maybe CapCut. It's free and also powerful. Or you can also go with Pika Labs or Runway ML for AI generated clips. You can just upload your audio and let the tool generate scenes automatically, or add stock footage, animations, or AI clips. So in CapCut, for example, you can just go with AI video and or AI dialog scene and just upload your script there. So after you got a video and also the voice, you just need to make an eye-catching thumbnail, because thumbnails matter a lot even for faceless channel. You can use again Canva or Photoshop to create simple bold thumbnails. Here in Canva, you can also use Canva AI to make it easier for you to make the thumbnail. Don't forget to use big fonts and bright colors, and keep your thumbnail text short, like for example, must watch or top 10 AI tools. Just go with that. So after you finish everything, you can just upload your video into YouTube. You can just click on create in here, and don't forget to add a strong title with keywords, a clean description, and a tags related to your niche. Also timestamps if needed. So just pick a niche and post consistently. Even 1 to 2 videos a week works. So that's it. That's how you can start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you guys in the next one.